In this video, we will compare N8N versus Flowise AI. Flowise AI is an intuitive platform designed to simplify the process of building and developing AI models, specifically for workflow automation. It offers a low-code environment that allows both technical and non-technical users to create AI-driven applications quickly and efficiently using Flowise AI. Flow AI enables easy integration and various AI model tools and data sources, making it suitable for tasks such as data processing, decision making, and predictive analysis. With the user-friendly interface, users can design complex workflows by visually connecting different components while streamlining the development process. Its ability to handle complex AI workflows while maintaining simplicity and ease of use sets it apart from many of its competitors, making it a very valuable tool for businesses looking to incorporate AI without deep technical expertise. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. N8N. N8N is an open source workflow automation tool that allows users to automate tasks and integrate various services and applications without writing extensive code. It provides a visual interface where users can design workflows by connecting different nodes. These nodes represent different various services, APIs, and data sources. With support of hundreds of built-in integrations, N8N enables seamless communication between apps like Google Sheets, Slack, Salesforce, and all custom more, as well as custom API connections. One of its standout features is flexibility. Users can customize their workflow with JavaScript, ensuring that even complex automation can be achieved. N8N is highly scalable, making it suitable for both small and larger enterprises. As an open source tool, it gives users full control over their data. This is a significant advantage for privacy organizations. The ability to self-host the platform or use cloud options to further enhance its capabilities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.